Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to LifeMattyerial. I'm Maddie. I hope you're having a great week. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite spring and summer dips. It's a creamy Greek feta dip. And it's really great for those get-togethers where you want to make something ahead of time. You can make this about 2 days in advance and keep it chilled in the fridge. Just top it off with the cucumbers and tomatoes right before you serve it, and you'll be ready to go. So, let's get started. Now, making this dip is pretty easy. You'll need a mixer. You can use a hand mixer. Otherwise, I have my good old trusty KitchenAid here. To start, we are going to do 12 ounces of feta. We're gonna dump this in. Do 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Get all that good stuff in there. This dip is great because you can get a lot of the ingredients from your local farmer's market, like the tomatoes, the cucumber, the dill. And we're going to do 1 block or 8 ounces of cream cheese that has been softened. I'm gonna break it up in chunks. Now I have the beater attachment on my KitchenAid. We're gonna get that in there. Great. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice and zest from 1 lemon, half a clove of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of oregano. I like a little heat, so I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is totally optional. So let me raise this up. And we are going to set this to low first, just to start to get it incorporated. And then we're gonna turn it up to medium. So that's looking great. Now a couple times while you're doing this, you may have to take a spatula and just scrape the sides. So that's what I'm going to do now. Just scrape the sides to get all that goodness down there. Now we want to mix this in the mixer until it is a nice kind of whipped creamy consistency. And that's why it's so important to make sure that cream cheese is room temperature. Otherwise, it's gonna get really clumpy and it won't whip up as well. And we'll turn it to high after it's almost mixed up together. Okay, let's take a peek. Get this attachment off. That looks so good. You can see it's nice and whipped, really light consistency. Now that it's whipped up, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped dill. Now I don't want to put this in when it's in the blender just because you don't want to pulverize the dill. So we'll add that in, and then I just like to fold it in. Just really gently make sure to get those sides. Fold it in. That dill smells so good. We just got this from the farmer's market this morning. Now that this is whipped up, let me get it plated and show you how to finish it. Okay, now that we have the dip transferred to a serving bowl, I want to show you how we're going to finish it. So it's in the serving bowl right here. I decided I am going to serve it with some bell peppers and some pita chips. What we are going to do is top it off with 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes, split in half. And then half a cup of chopped up cucumber right on top. And that's just gonna add another layer of freshness. And then we're going to drizzle just a little bit more olive oil right on top. That looks great. Let's add a little bit more dill for garnish. And I think, let's have a taste. That tastes so good. It's so light and creamy. The feta just gives it that nice freshness along with the lemon zest and the dill. This is going to be perfect whether you serve it with vegetables or pita chips. And I think your friends and family are really going to love it. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe below. Take care of yourselves. And always remember, today is a great day to make it an awesome day. We'll see you next time.